So, you just bought a new GPU, but you need more power. You feel inadequate, like a lesser man because you opted for a 2070 Super instead of a 2080. Well, I can't help you with your masculinity, but I can help you overclock your GPU, which is basically the same thing, right guys? Step number 1, open up Google and clear your search bar. In fact, clear your search history too while you're at it, you gross heathen. Type in Asus GPU Tweak 2. Next, download that sucker. Now open that thing up faster than you open up to strangers emotionally. You should really seek help about that, by the way. Now skip through all the other useful functions of this app and go to OC Scanner and click Start. And now, your card is going to be reaching its full potential without you even having to learn what voltage does.